Hey everyone, it's Chad here with Candle Business Pro, and I want to give you a little behind the scenes for something that we are revamping here within our 3 stores and our online store. We offer the Pour Your Own experience in our brick and mortar stores, and then we also offered the mono scent collection in the stores and online. So we have the Pour Your Own experience. We have these little scent testers that people get to go through and kind of smell a couple of them together. We give them some blending ideas on the front there to kind of help. We have around 100, 120 options for them currently, and we wanted to revamp the way that we do this. So we have a lot of people that just want to buy these little scent testers when they walk into the store. It's kind of a first thing you see, or it's in the back of the other 2 stores, but people still kind of gravitate towards these little candles, and they just want to buy them because they like the sea minerals or they like the lily of the valley just by itself. So we had an answer for that a little while ago with our mono scent collection, where we took 20 of these scents and turned them into candles that were ready to go. For the online store, we did all of them. So they had the option to pick from any of these scents, and then we would make it to order if it wasn't one of the 20 that was already ready to go in the store. So we wanted to revamp this because we have a lot of options on the scent wall. It's becoming overwhelming for customers, for some customers anyways, and it is a lot for us to try to manage that many scent options. And we want to make these little testers as ready to go candles. So we worked with our supplier that does the custom candle vessels for us, and we had them do these little branded candles. So these are now going to replace these small little scent testers. And it's a way for us to offer something more to customers because we were turning sales away by not having all of these or more of these available as a ready-to-go option. So we are revamping our mono scent collection and really tying it into the Pour Your Own experience. So now we are going to have 75 cents. So we're scaling back on our 100, 120 cents. One, it's easier inventory for us, and it's just better, I think, for the customers. We are keeping the favorites that people loved, and we are adding in 6 or 7 new fragrances that we are super excited about, and I think the customers are really going to like them too. We've been thinking about it for a while, and we've finally gotten to a point where we're going to pull the plug and just go for it. And I think that it's going to be an awesome thing, especially as our season kind of picks up for the tourists in the area for all 3 of our stores. And online, you know, we have a pretty steady business there too. So I think it's going to be a big hit, and I'm super excited for people to experience it. And I just want to give you a little behind the scenes look so that you can kind of see our process in taking it from an idea to a reality and seeing what the customers think. Now I'm going to stop talking and let you see the process, and then I'll show you at the end what our new scent wall looks like. All right, we are nearing the end of our massive project for our mono scent collection and for our Pour Your Own experience. They are going to be one and the same at this point. As I mentioned previously in the videos, we're nearing the end. So the candles are poured, and it is time to get the finishing touches. So we have some new scents that we're bringing in. So we are going to do some little labels for the squeeze bottles for the oil. And then we are also going to do these cool little signs that will show the scent name, and then for the Pour Your Own wall, the things that blend well with it, so that we can kind of help the customers out since there are a bunch of options. And then those will also show people kind of what the scent is, and they can smell a candle and see if they want to buy it as our mono scent collection. So we're going to go through this. I'm going to laminate the labels for the squeeze bottles and laminate the images that are going to sit next to the candles. So here's a quick look at all of that. So we have one more behind the scenes look at resetting this wall and how it's gonna look going forward. It is gonna look really awesome. I'm super excited. Now it's gonna be more of a retail focus. We're always resetting our retail side of the store so that when people come in, maybe they'll see something that they didn't see before. We do it, I don't know, probably every season or so, because we have new candles to come out or we just have new products coming in. So it's fun to do, and I'm really excited to get to this project. Here is a behind the scenes look at the rest of the process. And that is a wrap. I hope that you enjoyed the behind the scenes look at our mono-scent collection slash pour your own experience update. I know that the behind the scenes look went kind of quick, but recording footage for 675 candles, 225 signs, and the squeeze bottles and everything that went into it would take days for you to watch. So I just wanted to give you a quick look behind the scenes. It was the biggest candle project we have taken on in the 3+ years that we have been in business, but it was worth it. So we've had this out for about 2 weeks and our customers love it. I'm actually quite surprised at how well it's went over. We have sold quite a few of the mono-scent candles, both online and in the store. I do think that as this gets out there, it's going to build and be a great revenue stream for us. And then with the pour your own experience, anyone that has done it before and now come back with a new update, they absolutely love the way that it looks on the wall. They like the way that they can go through and smell an actual candle. Before it was just a little scent tester, which still smelled the same, but these are going to get rotated more, so I think the scents will stay super fresh. For those that are doing it for the first time, they seem to be really happy with the way that this works. They also really love the signs. See if that'll show you. I showed them previously, but they love the signs and the way that they give you the blending suggestions. It also probably helps that we don't have over 100, 120 options for them to pick from now either. We really enjoyed this process, and I'm very thankful for our staff and all the work that they put into it as well. It was definitely a team effort to get this updated. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment below and we will be happy to answer any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more candle making and business tips. Thank you all so much for watching and have a fantastic day.